Hello, students. In this lecture video, I'll be just briefing you with the main concepts of Chapter 6 Life Processes, which is important for your board examinations. So, let us see what are the different life processes. It is nutrition, respiration, transportation, and excretion. Nutrition is defined as a process that is uptake of the nutrients, which includes ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and excretion. There are two main types of nutrition, that is autotrophic and heterotrophic. In autotrophic, the organism prepares its own food like the green plants, where the raw materials are carbon dioxide, water, light, and sunlight, and the end products are glucose, oxygen, and energy in the form of ATP. Coming to heterotrophic nutrition, which can be of different types, where the organisms are dependent on the autotrophs, saprophytic, like in fungus and yeast, parasitic, holozoic. A parasite requires a host to stay in the body, and in holozoic, we can treat the nutrition in amoeba as well as humans as holozoic, which includes these main steps, which already I have told you in nutrition process. Now, in humans, there is alimentary canal, which starts with the mouth and ends in anus. Then, there are a pair of salivary glands also in the saliva, which releases saliva, and the salivary amylase. Then, gastric glands present in the stomach, which releases gastric juice. Liver releases bile juice, and pancreas releases pancreatic juice. Then, to summarize respiration, it is a process which involves the oxidation of food to release energy plus intake of oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. That can be in the presence or absence of oxygen. If it is in presence, it is aerobic, and if it is in absence, it is anaerobic. So you can see the end products differ. Pyruvate is the common step, but the end products which are there and the amount of ATP, it differs in both. Then coming to different types of respiratory organs, it varies in different organisms. It can be gills, skin, lungs, or air tubes. Next, coming to transportation. In humans and in plants, it varies. Like in humans, it is a proper heart or proper organ. In plants, there are tissues, xylem and phloem. Xylem basically transports water and phloem food. Coming to transportation in human beings, there is double circulation. One is pulmonary, that is linked with the lungs, and systemic, related with the whole part of the body. So there, the heart comprises of four chambers. It has atrium and ventricles, where the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood is being transported. Then coming to excretion. In excretion, it is a process where the harmful metabolic wastes are excreted outside the body. In humans, it is through kidneys, and in plants, there are a variety of processes like transpiration or through stomata or like gums. The excretory wastes are secreted outside the body or outside the plant body, you can say. Next, coming to important figures of this chapter, one is this the alimentary canal, then the human respiratory system, human heart, and excretory system. So the diagrams as well as its labelings should be very clear to you. Then coming to the different activity based questions that can come in your reasoning type of questions. One is to show that chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis. Main thing to remember is that iodine test is performed where the green regions will show the presence of starch and positive iodine test. And in order to decolorize the leaf, we use alcohol. So, in any test, if you want to prove that carbon dioxide or sunlight is essential for photosynthesis, in order to detect photosynthesis, we have to perform iodine test. And for iodine test, firstly, we have to decolorize the chlorophyll using alcohol, and then only we can put iodine to so that when starch is present, iodine will react to give blue black color. Then to show that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis, where potassium hydroxide is used, which consumes all the carbon dioxide. Then next is that carbon dioxide is produced during respiration, where lime water turns milky. So these main experiments should be kept in mind for this chapter.